balanced power and quite dynamic acceleration. Sports bikes for beginner riders. Welcome to my channel, I am Thomas as always, and in today's video episode I'll introduce you the top 10 most stunning sport bikes for beginner riders. Of course, this doesn't apply to completely inexperienced riders. These sport bikes are ideal for those who want to ride 100 horsepower and much more, and this lineup is something of a golden mean. These bikes require attention and a lot of observation during the ride, and these bikes don't forgive the mistakes. So if you have not completed beginner courses and don't have elementary experience of riding sport bike, I don't recommend to ride these bikes. So friends, enjoy these amazing bikes and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting motorcycle news. I hope you enjoy my video, and I personally would prefer Japanese motorcycles for this lineup. My attitude toward Japanese motorcycles is very positive, because I really like their handwriting, so to speak, and their approach to the work in the general. As for the rest, it's just matter of the taste. Aprilia looks very impressive, and what about the CF Moto in general has been quite an interesting and likable for the last few years. To my surprise, Triumph Daytona is also quite attractive in its design. As for the rest of the bikes, they don't suit my taste with their strange style. Benelli is attractive at the first glance, but it reminds me of the Suzuki's from the front, and I don't like such similarities. I believe that everything is good that is unique. KTM is one of my favorite brands, especially in the Naked series, but I don't think the sport bike is the strong point of this brand.